Oh, that would be nice.
Power.
Power's like, it's mine. Nice. You know each other. Power, seriously. Behave. I've always had girl dogs, and that's one thing I don't mind the difference at all, except for that he likes to do that.
Kick his butt.
Oh my god, this is too cute.
Kick his butt.
So is she like sleeping through the night and everything? Or does she still miss all the other pups that Kelly?
The first night, put her right in the crate and she slept all night.
Wow, that's awesome.
We got her like almost a month after.
Right, yeah.
She's crate trained.
That's awesome.
So she's a puppy too, but she's just bigger.
Yeah, Bower will go in there later. Have you brought Fergie in there yet?
Not yet.
Yeah, it is pretty. It's
So, like, she's
pretty intimidating.
Come on.
She's so adorable. I don't know if you looked at any.
Ooh, Fergie. That's
Oh
good.
yeah.
Stop, I will.
No, this is great.
No, I think it's Bower making that noise.
Oh, really?
No, that's Fergie.